Hawkridge Systems is one of the leading providers of engineering design and manufacturing software. So we have customers that are in aerospace, automotive, medical, consumer products, machine design. We're really all over the map.
Today we have 16 training rooms. Grid VCA really allows us to consolidate both the administration of those machines, but also the hardware in one single location.
Before the grid, it was very unpredictable. You never knew if you were going to run into any issues. It could be licensing, could be security, could be not having the correct file sets on that specific computer.
Grid VCA helps us a lot for administering training. Instead of having to worry about setting up, say, 160 machines that we have in our 16 training rooms, now we only have to set up a couple grid units, set up the template for SolidWorks, and we can deploy those to all the systems that we use for training today.
The grid is, in our opinion, is a disruptive technology. It allows applications that are graphics intense, like SolidWorks, to be delivered in an online or a cloud-like format.
Initially, when NVIDIA brought Grid VCA to us, I was a little bit skeptical that a shared set of resources was able to provide the same level of computing resources as a single desktop machine.
The reaction from our engineers, who are SolidWorks experts, for the most part, is they can't believe that this tool provides the performance online that is comparable to traditional desktop applications.
To me, the best part about the grid is that their experience hasn't really changed in terms of they don't know that they're not working off a local workstation or computer.
They have the ability to use SolidWorks anywhere, anytime, on any device.
When a customer wants to evaluate SolidWorks, on the other end of things, we never know what kind of computer they're necessarily using. They could be using a Windows machine, they could be using a Mac. We don't know if it's new or whether it's old. Now with Grid VCA, we can give them access, and it really doesn't matter what kind of computer they're using on the other end. They're able to access SolidWorks and try it out without much effort on their part.
The grid is essential to our company, and in our opinion, those not using the Grid VCA, as you go forward, you're going to be at a competitive disadvantage.
Whether you're a CAD administrator or an engineering manager, you're always looking for ways to improve productivity in SolidWorks. Grid VCA lets you, reduce the amount of administration for SolidWorks and also consolidate your hardware without having to affect the way that you're actually using SolidWorks today.